What's goody, what's goody, what's goody, gang? Welcome back to the channel. You guys are rising in the void. You're rising in the void. You already know what it is, what it will be if you are returning. But if you're new, welcome. I'm not always here, but when I am super grateful to be here. And I'm so grateful for you guys' love and support. So let's just get into it, y'all. Just like I did for the other reading, we're just going to channel a bit. I'm getting something coming in, and I heard scone. I was looking at a picture or like a meme of somebody talking about the perfect way to toast crumpets, and a crumpet is just like an English muffin, just like toasted. It was like an English muffin, pretty much, right? But anyways, like something about scones. All right, if you're eating a scone, if you want a scone, child, this might be for you. Okay. I'm hearing ring-a-ding-ding, ringing bells, bells ringing. Okay, I've been hearing this song for the past like week. It goes, and the girl, she was walking down the street singing do-a-diddy-diddy-dum-diddy-do. She look good, look fine, look, but she look good, she look fine. And I don't even know where that song came from. I don't remember. I just know it's on an old movie, but it's been popping up into my head. So we got pleasure coming out the top of the deck. What is going on for the Virgo people right now? What do they have going on? Whoa, right off the bat, you guys got love vibes like popping right out of the deck. Like, all right, let's see. And I say that because we got a pink card, and pink is just kind of like my romantic, lovey-dovey kind of energy. So we have more. Somebody wants your energy, they want your attention, and they want it badly. The energy of this card when I channeled it is two things, right? The song More and More by Joe. So go listen to that song. My mom used to listen to that song, y'all. It grew on me with his little bald head self. More and more. And after that, she want more and more. I know that vibe, child. Whew, I've been celibate, so like, whew. Anyway, child. But then we have Gomez Adams. So I always said, like, if I had a partner, like if I ever wanted a partner or whatever, if I had a partner, I want him to be just like Gomez. I want us to be like Gomez and Morticia. So this is that energy, like more, mi amor. I want more, mi amor. So that's the energy that's coming out in your energy, Virgo, wherever that is for you. We have you should work on that. For some reason, I'm getting this like really like let loose kind of vibe and then pull it together. It's like a tension and release kind of energy with you, Virgo. I was sensing a similar thing for Scorpio, but they are not tense, they're fully released. Okay, anyways, you should work on that. Okay, so I feel like Virgo, you might be being called to lean more into your like, it's funny that word more is coming out. So I feel like the universe is almost calling, your higher self is almost calling you. Okay, the Holy Spirit is calling you to be more leaned into your fuck it energy, right? Like, fuck it. You know, don't show your hand kind of energy. Don't tell nobody, just do you, just do it. I've been all up in this energy all year. So like, I highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. We have seasonal. I feel like there's a period of your life that you need to spend just kind of doing some shit. And now that I'm like in the energy, I'm feeling like, I don't know if this is just a collective of people that come to get messages for me or if this is a global thing, but I feel like more than just, I feel like a lot of people are being called to have a season of just like, I don't even know the word. Like debauchery is the only word I can think of, but it's more so just like impulsive behavior without thinking and without communicating it. I'm almost, you know what, Virgo, boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm getting? And this has been on my mind for a couple days now. Y'all remember the days, like, okay, I saw something online yesterday, and it was like people born in the 90s or whatever, we're the last like generation of people who remembers what life feels like before social media. And somebody asks, like, I don't know if that's a good thing or a scary thing, a gift or a curse. And that is some deep shit, because that's insane. Like the fact that there's whole generations of people who will never know what that feels like is crazy, because the feeling is unmatched. Not having to think about sharing a picture, sharing a reel, sharing an update, having that be an integral part of your business growing. Like if if I could grow a business and just do what I do without being on social media on a daily, I swear I would, because I just miss the way that feels or whatever. And there are certain people who will feel how it feels because their parents may not let them do it or they're not interested in it. So that's how you can tap into that energy. Spirit wants people to tap into that energy. Don't worry about being seen, perceived. Don't worry about telling a story or sharing anything. Just live. Okay. What's coming to me now is, ASAP Rocky and Rihanna, they told this story about when they first got together. They got together and they just literally got a RV, and they just like traveled across the country, just tripping balls, tripping acid, tripping mushrooms. I don't know if they tripped acid. I just know they were tripping. Okay, I don't condone drugs. I'm just telling a story. Okay, 5 on the time. But like, they were basically saying how they just spent a chunk of time together. They didn't, they may have their own personal mementos, videos, pictures and shit, but the world would never see it type shit, right? I've been craving something like that, and I feel like the world, like so many people are as well. So I feel like you're being called into that energy. And don't tell nobody, don't show your hand, okay? So let's see. Anything from the cards for Virgo? Okay, we got the Eight of Swords in the reverse, Virgo. I think that that's gorgeous energy. I feel like a lot of people are feeling like freed and extricated. There's some planetary movements going on today with Uranus and Mars, where people are getting to unveil and unlock their like chamber of anger, is how I felt. How it came through me and how it felt through me. That's how I felt, child. But anyway, child, Eight of Swords in reverse is freeing yourself from a stuck, trapped, restricted kind of energy. And I feel like you need more of that in your life, Virgo. Be feeling freed from anything. If anything makes you feel stuck, stagnant, unsure, free yourself, and you will have so much fortune and abundance from that energy. Not just money, like energetic abundance. And we know that that is very rich, fertile energy to bring forth whatever you want. So if you want more money, you'll get more money. If you want more, whatever you want more of, honey, you'll be getting a lot more of it, because y'all have freed yourself. I know that's right. I know that's right, Virgo. Anything else for Virgo? I love this for y'all. What the hell? Okay, so for a lot of you guys, this will have a lot to do with work. That's funny because Virgo's like, we could do anything. Like, a lot of us love our work, whatever we do for our purpose work, whatever we do for money, a lot of us love it. I feel like you guys are going to be relishing in that energy, and you're going to use it for work. Like, however that looks. Like, if some of you guys are writers or artists, or you work remotely, some of you guys work from the computer, you can edit from anywhere. You can work from anywhere. And I feel like, you know how some writers will like go to the forest for like some months or whatever to write a project and finish, and they'll just disconnect from the world. Like, that's the kind of energy I'm getting. We got the Four of Cups as well. So I feel like you guys have been unhappy in the way that you have been working. I feel like, if I'm getting a really great example, thank you higher self, thank you Holy Spirit, but if you are a person who will like lock in at home and just get work done and go hang out with your friends, go do some crazy stuff on the weekend or a few days throughout the week, I feel like you're like over that. You're so over that, and you're like, I need to step up. Some of you guys are like, fuck it, I'm about to go to Bali, okay? And I'm gonna work from Bali, okay? And I'm gonna tell y'all next year that I've been in Bali for 8 months and I've been working from there, and I'll share, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting that kind of energy where it's just like, why the fuck would I be working from home when I could work from anywhere? You know, that kind of thing. I'm here for it. Anything else for the Virgo collective that will see this? Ace of Cups. So you guys also have an incoming of some type of emotional, like, unraveling, something that you've imagined and wanted for yourself, that you've been trying to call in for yourself. You're definitely getting that. It's gonna be in some type of social setting. It's gonna be a social event. You increase my light or hope. So I feel like you're gonna like come across a group of like-minded individuals who also feel this way. And I feel like it's before you go or when you go, you're gonna have a period of just like learning about how the world, like you're going to learn so much about yourself during this time, because you're going to basically go into a space and you're going to run into a bunch of people like yourself. They're going to big up you. They're going to tell you, oh my God, Virgo, you're fucking amazing. You're dope. You're lit. I love this and that about you. It's going to be very pleasurable. It's going to be very, it's just going to be everything you want it to be. Okay, you're gonna feel very safe, you're gonna feel very appreciated, and people are gonna let you know your impact on them. This is not gonna be the kind of situation where people just drain you dry and then leave you alone and run away from you, and you're like, oh my God, you took off my good shit. You took all my good shit and just ran off on the plug. This is not that, okay? These are people who are going to be like, look, Virgo, they're going to hold your hand when they say this. You are the most amazing person I met. You have the best energy. You are so creative. You're so fun. You have a fucking sickly dope, amazing personality. And I've never met somebody like you. These people are going to pour into you. It's going to make you feel very whole, very safe, very seen. And I just love this for you, Virgo. Is there anything else? I literally keep cutting to this card. I kid you not. You increase my light or hope. Okay. So what else can Virgo expect coming at them? What else is Virgo going to be kind of welcoming in and at that time during that period? Well, this is a lot. There's going to be a lot of manifestations, a lot of death and rebirth. You're literally going to be getting transformed with every compliment. 1010. I mean, 1111 was on the time. Okay, we got a lot of major arcanas that try to come out, so I'm not going to hold y'all not even a second. Like, if you guys were just feeling beat down and crushed down by life and by your circumstances, all that shit is going to fall away. Everything that you've ever imagined and wanted to feel for yourself, or like not ever, but like in the recent time in life, you're going to experience that. And as you experience that, all of the shackles of woe, okay, whatever you felt like was just plaguing you is just going to fall right off of you. And you're going to be like, damn. Short-term plan. So this is a short-term plan. This is something that's going to happen very quickly. It's going to require some short-term planning. And it's going to be very chaotic, but I think you guys are going to like do your shit. I think you're going to be fine. Okay. It says, let's get trippy and do it. So I feel like y'all are going to have a freaking good time. Like whoever you're going to be with. And it's crazy because every card I just pulled from this sensual tarot deck is red. And that's root chakra energy. So you guys are going to be feeling very rooted with whoever you're going to be around, romantically, sexually. You're going to want to be very primal with that person, pulling each other's hair, taking photos and video to remember the moments. And child, y'all saw whatever other cards I just pulled out. I just was like taken aback. Like, look, I keep cutting to the same stuff. Oh my God, Virgo, what the hell? It said I just cut to get fly on them, literally, and that's a card about getting fly and going on vacay. So literally this is what your whole read is about. You guys got siren song. Your siren song calls me, which is like basically like your love calls me. Somebody feels like you're unmatched. Okay, you're so, moisturized. Okay, you guys are gonna be connecting with people in like all new ways, in every way that you've needed to, Virgo. So I don't know who this message is for, but I hope it helps. I love you guys, and I'm so grateful to have you guys, and I'll see you next time. Peace.